Here's something a lot of homeowners don't realize. Your security cameras might still record if the internet goes down, but many DIY alarm systems depend on your home Wi-Fi to send alerts. If that connection is lost, you may never know someone broke in until it's too late.
So my paper bird wasn't a bad plan then, huh?
No, it wasn't. Let's pause for a moment to watch a funny skit.
Fly to the ADT monitoring station, my bird friend. The router is rebooting.
The ADT panel has built-in cellular backup. No router necessary.
No bird friend necessary.
No paper airplanes.
You guys stay safe and secure.
You can see it was creative, yes. Reliable, not so much.
So what would you say makes a professional system different?
Professionally installed monitored alarm systems include a built-in cellular communicator. If someone cuts your internet cable, your router fails, or your Wi-Fi stops working, the alarm can still send signals over cellular network to the monitoring center.
So it's like giving the alarm its own cell phone signal.
Exactly, and because it's professionally monitored, trained operators can quickly verify the alarm and notify emergency responders when appropriate, even if you can't answer your phone.
So while the burglar is celebrating because the Wi-Fi is down,
The alarm is quietly using cellular backup to call for help.
Another paper bird. I guess you can retire, Captain Carrier Pigeon, whatever.
Paper birds are great for crafts. Cellular backup is better for protecting your home.
You guys stay safe and secure.